In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Squarespace domain connection issues. By the end, you'll know exactly how to diagnose the problem, make the right DNS adjustments, and confirm that your domain is fully connected. Start by opening your Squarespace domain settings. In your site dashboard, go to Settings, then Domains, and select the domain you're trying to connect. If your domain is managed by Squarespace, you'll make changes right here. If it's registered with a third-party provider, you'll still use this panel for guidance, but you'll edit records at your registrar's DNS manager. Next, check the domain status to see what connection problem is being reported. Squarespace will usually display a clear message, like a DNS error or a note that a required record is missing. Take a moment to read the details because the status often points you straight to the exact record that needs attention. Now, review the DNS records or connection methods shown in the tutorial for your setup. Squarespace provides a checklist of required records, typically including A records for the root domain and a CNAME for the www host. Match the names, values, and any host fields exactly as shown. If you're using a third-party registrar, keep the Squarespace tutorial open in one tab and your registrar's DNS editor in another, so you can copy everything accurately. Correct any missing or incorrect domain records. Replace outdated values, remove conflicting entries, and avoid duplicates. For example, the root domain should not have both a CNAME and A records at the same time. Stick to the methods Squarespace specifies. If you see old mail or verification records unrelated to your site, leave those intact unless Squarespace flags them as conflicts. When in doubt, follow the exact labels and values provided in the Squarespace guide rather than guessing. Save the DNS or connection changes. Look for a Save, Apply, or Confirm button and make sure your edits are committed. Unsaved changes won't propagate and can keep your domain in a disconnected state. Give the domain time to update if propagation is needed. DNS updates can be quick, but they may take several hours to fully spread. Don't worry if things don't switch to connected right away. This delay is normal. Finally, recheck the domain status until Squarespace shows it as connected. Refresh the page or use any built-in refresh option and watch for the status to change to connected. Once it does, visit your domain in a browser to confirm your site loads as expected. And that's it. Your domain should now be properly connected to Squarespace.